Hello friends, I'm Chetna, Speak to Win Public Speaking Contest Day 3, and my topic is not taking a decision is also a decision. My sir always say one thing, that if you're not investing on your success, that means you have decided to invest on your failure. Guys, if you're not choosing, you are delaying. That means you decide to delay, and it's also a decision. Remember, if you have exam, you want to top an exam, and you are not preparing for it, so and you are not preparing for it, that means you will fail the exam. You have to take decision, and you have to decide yourself that what you want to do. And every decision you make, every decision, it's not about what to do. Sometimes it's about who you are, what's your value. If you understand this, every event, every occurrence will change into an opportunity. If you know your value, then taking decision will not be hard for you. And there are so many things that I have listened, but decision is not right or wrong. It's always the result, which is positive or negative. We decide according to the situation. Decide if you want to choose consciously by choosing an option and grabbing the opportunity, and leave it, not choose anything, and decide unconsciously by choosing nothing and leaving the opportunity. Every time you have two options, walk away and try once. When this Speak to Win was starting, then I decided to walk away. But the next moment I said to myself that just once. And I decided to try just once. And I tried my best, and I am here. So it's all up to you what decision you make and what you decide for yourself. It's your life, it's your responsibility, and you have to take this responsibility. Thank you.